In this video, we will go over how to use the new free CLD Bloat tool to make Windows 11 look more like Windows 10. The main changes will be aligning the taskbar to the left, using the old right-click menu and removing the rounded corners. To begin, go to cldbloat.com and download the program for free. After you have installed CLD Bloat, open the program and in the Visual tab, check Align Taskbar Left, disable Show More, and Square Window Corners. Then click Apply. Notice how the taskbar is now on the left. And notice how the window corners are now square and not rounded. Finally, note how the right-click menu shows all the options and you no longer have to click Show More. You can disable these changes by unchecking them, or clicking Select None and then Apply. Thank you for watching our video. This video covers just a small aspect of what CLD Bloat can do. Give our free tool a try today at cldbloat.com, link in the description.